In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Behance Pro. This is a fantastic way to unlock a wide range of premium features that can significantly enhance your creative journey. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, accessing these advanced tools can make a big difference in showcasing your work effectively and reaching a broader audience. The first step is to visit the Behance Pro page. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to behance.net Pro. This page gives you an overview of what Behance Pro has to offer, with a clear layout that helps you understand the benefits and features you'll be unlocking as a subscriber. Next, you'll need to sign in using your existing Adobe ID. If you don't have an Adobe ID yet, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward. You just need to follow the prompts on the screen to set it up. Having an Adobe ID is crucial, since it allows you to access a suite of Adobe services, making it integral to your Behance Pro subscription. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose the plan that best meets your needs. Behance Pro offers different plans, with pricing starting at $9.99 per month when you commit annually. However, keep in mind that the exact cost might vary based on your location and the specific plan you select. Take a moment to consider what each plan offers and align it with your own personal or professional requirements. Now that you've selected your plan, you need to enter your payment information to finalize the subscription process. You'll find that the system guides you smoothly through these steps, ensuring that your details are securely processed. Make sure to review all your information carefully before proceeding to avoid any errors. One of the great perks about subscribing to Behance Pro is that you get to start with a free trial period. This trial is an excellent way for you to explore all the premium features without immediate financial commitment. During this time, you'll receive full access to the tools that will potentially enhance your projects and streamline your workflow. It's an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform and see firsthand what it can do for your creative work. By the end of the trial, you should have a solid understanding of how Behance Pro fits into your creative process and the added value it provides. Remember, subscribing to Behance Pro not only gives you more tools, but can also open up new pathways to connect with other creatives and potential clients worldwide. I hope this video has helped clear up any questions you might have had about subscribing to Behance Pro. Stay inspired and keep creating.